Demi Lovato is leaving her, quote, daddy issues in the past and is all about her personal growth in 2020. The singer poured her heart out in a personal essay for Vogue, where she got candid about her relationship with her late father, Patrick Lovato, who passed away in 2013, and why she is now super focused on her year of growth. Quote, there was the anniversary of my father's death, which is a couple days after Father's Day, and a really hard time of year for me. But this year something happened. I wrote a gratitude letter to him, thanking him for all the things I'd got from him. Demi, who has been open about her father abusing her in the past, candidly wrote, adding, quote, it was this beautiful release of all the resentments I had towards him. I realized for the first time I wasn't going to have daddy issues for the rest of my life. Demi's essay for Vogue goes on to discuss how her fiancé Max has helped her make her mental health a priority as her, quote, anxiety skyrocketed amid the coronavirus pandemic. Initially, I was resistant, but because my fiancé is so positive all the time, I just started picking up on the things he does. Started meditating and doing yoga. I started journaling, painting, taking pictures, and being creative, and learning to appreciate nature after realizing I'd been taking it for granted all this time. The 28-year-old also used the letter to shine a light on her newfound activism. Quote, in short, 2020 has been a year of growth. Moving forward, I want to put my energy into my music and my advocacy work. I want to continue to strive to be a better person. I want to inspire people in many different ways to do the same. Above all, I want to leave the world a better place than when I got here. There are a lot of things that need to be done before that, but together, I believe we can make it happen. You just need to be a little bit hopeful.